Well, okay, boys and girls, there is my roof hatch. It blew out. I opened the back door, and there are strong winds blowing directly into the back of the truck camper. And when I opened the door, the pressure in blew the hatch up. So it broke it off of the hinge here and off of the latch mechanism up there. So I have gone through here and taped everything together really good with Gorilla Glue and some heavy aluminum tape. And then I put a tape across and tape across this way to help hold the thing together, because it's in 5 pieces. And then I also have a continuous run of tape around the perimeter trying to hold all that together. So anyway, yeah, as you can see here, it's windy outside, and that is why the thing blew open. So anyway, okay, I'm gonna move the truck so that I'm not facing the wind. I'm gonna get out of the wind, and then I'll be able to safely put this in. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so that is the fix for the roof hatch. I've got all the cracks are taped up. Hopefully they will hold up in the rain, but I'll have a new cover on before the rains come, hopefully. And so I've got bungee cords going to the brackets on the solar panel, and then this one here goes under the cover and is connected around the first screw. So it's got a good solid connection. I didn't want to have it pulling on that housing. But and then I have the front here, this hinge. I was able to get that in there too. So we're good to go. Just got to go get a new emergency hatch or cover, however it works. And in the future, don't open the door in strong wind when the door is facing the wind, because that is what pressurized the inside of the truck camper and blew it out. Okay, I'm gonna get going now. This was more fun than I was supposed to have.